ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here, your brother qari Muhammad Zafar Usmani. Do not skip this video. Inshallah, this video will informative for you. If you new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. When I upload new video, inshallah will come to you. And share this video with your friends and like this video and do comment in comment section. So today my topic about recitation of Holy Quran with beautiful sound and importance of these maqamat and invitation of these maqamat. Two places are there if you want to invite to anyone. If you a scholar in any masjid, you want to recite Holy Quran with beautiful sound. When you start, when you learn these maqamat, when you start beautiful sound, and when you give a Jumat with beautiful sound in Fajr prayer, in Maghrib prayer, in Isha prayer, so the people will come a lot of. So when they listen, so it is as well like invitation. You are inviting to people. So this is as well preach. So the beautiful sound and recitation of Holy Quran with the beautiful sound, it as well like a preach. When you recite Holy Quran with beautiful sound, so that effect on people when they will come. If you a student, if you a teacher in any madrasa, if you learn, if you teach to student, inshallah, they will as well like a sawab forever. Wherever they recite Holy Quran with beautiful sound, that sawab will come in your account as well. If you want to increase in your account for akhirat and for dunya as well, so you have to follow, you have to learn these maqamat, inshallah. I hope, inshallah, it will be better for you. I hope you understand, inshallah. Allow me and see you again in other video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.